Good morning, students. Today, in this beautiful morning, I am present with a beautiful poem for Standard 7th. The name of the poem is Little Eyes Upon You. Alvik Dhiman is the poet of this present poem. Actually, this poem gets to be a role model of any person. To be a role model of any person is very important for each and every child and boy in his or her life. This poem totally moves around the role model of a great personality. The poet Alvik Dhiman espouses some important merits in the modelist who plays a great role model of a child. The present poem also espouses how to follow a little child to his elder, and he just likes to be the same as his idol person is. I shall deliberate this poem both in Hindi and in English. Now, I start comprehending you the first stanza of this poem. There are little eyes upon you, and they are watching night and day. They are little ears that quickly take in every word you say. In first stanza, the poet wants to say that the little eyes of the child watches you whole day and night, and his or her little ears also listens, also hears what you say is very careful, and the words which have been spoken by you is also very cautiously to be followed by the little children. इस फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि वो बच्चों की छोटी छोटी आँखें जो दिन रात आप ही को देखने में लगी रहती है, और उनकी छोटी छोटी कानें इतने चेतन अवस्था में और बड़े ही ध्यानपूर्वक आपकी हर एक बात को सुनते हैं, हर एक बात को कोट करते हैं और ठीक उसको अपने जीवन में ढालने का प्रयत्न करते हैं. नाउ आई मूव बैक टू द सेकंड स्टेंजा. There are little hands, all eager to do anything you do, and a little boy who's dreaming of the day he'll be like you. In this second stanza, the poet wants to state that the hand of the little child is always ready to do anything, and he always dreams and he just has earnestly desire to get like you, to copy you, to conjecture you. At each and every step of his or her life, he follows you. इस सेकेंड स्टेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि उसकी छोटी छोटी आंखें काफ़ी उत्सुक होती है किसी भी काम को करने के लिए। उसकी छोटी छोटी आंखें पूरे दिल खोलकर किसी भी कार्य को करने के लिए तैयार रहती है और वह ख्वाब देखता है, एक सपनों को अपने अंदर बुनता है कि वह आपके तरह बने, वह आपके तरह बनने का एक सपना देखता है। नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा, स्टेंजा नंबर 3. You are the little fellow's idol, you are the wisest of the wise, in his little mind about you no suspicious ever rise. In this third stanza, the poet says that the little fellows just being copied and he supposes you to be his or her idol. He is considered you to be the most wisest persons of all, and his little mind, his little attentions always moves around you, and there is no any kind of suspicion, there is no any kind of questions about you. In a nutshell, we can say that he is totally follower of you. In this इस तीसरे स्टेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि वह आपका एक छोटा मित्र है जो एक आदर्श के रूप में एक श्रद्धापूर्वक आपका अनुकरण करने का प्रयास करता है। वह आपको ज्ञानियों में ज्ञानी मानता है और उसकी जो दिमाग होती है 100% आप ही के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है, आप ही के बारे में वो सोचता है, आपसे वो थोड़ा भी अलग नहीं है और आपको लेकर उसके मन में किसी भी प्रकार का कोई प्रश्न नहीं है, बिल्कुल निश्चल है और आप पर वह दिल खोलकर विश्वास करता है। तो आज मैंने आपको 3 स्टेंजा का हिंदी और अंग्रेजी एक्सप्लेनेशन बताया, and I hope you will have got these 3 stanza explanations from the core of your heart. I shall visit to you on another video with another part or episodes with last 4th, 5th and 6th stanzas. For that, thank you very much and have a good day.